Hey, this is Fallon and I'm back again with pine and ginger glazed chicken. Let's go! So I start by adding pepper, black pepper to the chicken, and then I add some salt. So you have a choice to add the amount of salt and pepper you like. Everyone like their own, they like to add your own amount because they prefer less salty or prefer more salty. So do what you think is good for you. Add a tablespoon of seasoned salt. Seasoned salt is already salty, so you don't want to add too much, okay? It has all that spice in, and then you're gonna rub all that flavor in the chicken. If you like to marinate it, you're welcome to do so for 24 hours or less. Hey, it's up to you. And then we're gonna stuff our chicken. Add salt and pepper and seasoned salt just to give it some flavor. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna stuff that chicken with onions, ginger, garlic, and peppers. So I start with half a cup of onions, sliced round. Then I did like 4 to 5 pieces of ginger to stuff in there. And then I do 4 cloves of crushed garlic. And then I add a whole Fresno red pepper. We want that color, we want that flavor and everything inside that chicken. So that's why I add the Fresno. And then I did 1 cup of cubed pineapple chunks. Okay, or chunk pineapple, cube pineapple, however you want to say it, it's up to you. Doesn't matter. Pineapple. I added pineapple. All right, so you're gonna stuff that in there. Yes, just get it in there. Get it perfect. You can you just put your hands in there and just kind of like circulate it, and then we're gonna close that chicken up. Okay. So I didn't have any thread or a needle, which is normally what I do. So I did it the short way. I used some, what do you call these again? Toothpicks. I use toothpicks, okay? Don't judge me. I use toothpicks, and it's just an easy, simple method. People, it's ghetto, whatever. I don't care. As long as her JJ is closed or her ass is closed. I don't know, whatever. Let me go on the other side, not be inappropriate here. So yeah, just do what you think is better for you. If you want to use the thread, go ahead. If you want to use this, go ahead. So now we're gonna put our chicken on a rack in a pan to roast, and then we're gonna add a half a cup of chunky pineapple, half a cup of potatoes, half a cup of onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and you're gonna add like 2 tablespoons of ginger. So you want your ginger to be chunky, so you'll be able to pick it out when you're eating. If you don't want to eat the whole ginger like me, I eat the whole ginger. I don't care, it's good for me, it's cancer fighting. Let's not go into that. And then what I do is I put it underneath the chicken. Now if you don't have a rack, that's okay. All you have to do is to put the stuffings there underneath the chicken, and then put the chicken on top and let it roast, and it's gonna be perfect in the end. Okay, so after we add all of that to the chicken, we're gonna roast our chicken for 1 hour and 35 minutes. Now we're ready for the sauce. So we're gonna add 2 cups of pineapple juice, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon minced ginger, 1 tablespoon minced Fresno, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and 1/4 cup of vinegar. So now your sauce should look like this. Not too thick, not too watery, but perfect enough to coat that chicken. So when your chicken is almost ready, like 10 minutes before it's almost done, take it out of the oven and baste each side with a pineapple and ginger glaze just to get an even coat, okay? Depending on the size of your chicken, it might take longer or it might take less time. You should be the judge. All right, my chicken was around 5 pounds. It was a big chicken, like it was really huge. So it took me 2 hours. In addition, I did it for 1 hour and 35 minutes, but I soaked the sauce in and get some extra color for another like 20 minutes. And it was perfect after that. There was a little blood in there, but it was fine. So yeah, I'm gonna show you in the end how I dissect the chicken. I cut them in quarts just to make them look a little bit more appealing, so you won't see the ass of the chicken showing. So here we go. Look at that. Wonderful. And I served mine with a side of rice. Yes. Thank you guys for watching as usual. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.